Over here, we're cooking up some very delicious treats with the founder of But First We Brunch, Cynthia Christensen. Welcome, Cynthia.
Hi.
We have a lot of stuff to do here today.
Things, yes.
First of all, I want to know why blueberries are such a perfect summer ingredient.
You know, blueberries last for a very long time. They're very good for us. They have antioxidants. You can Google that. It's a thing. Very important. But they last for a long time in our refrigerator. Even when they start to get older, we can freeze them and use them all year long. And they can make anything pop. And you can use them sweet or you can use them savory.
And what should people, when they're shopping for blueberries, what should they look for?
You want to make sure that the skin's not wrinkled, that they're nice and plump, but they're not squishy. So you want to, you can open that container, take a look and see what's inside. I like to flip it over and look at the ones on the bottom. And if those are looking a little juicy, I'm going to pass that one by and I'm going to look for one where you have nice, plump blueberries on the bottom as well.
I'm taking mental notes as you're telling me all this. Now we have amazing stuff here. You're actually going to put me to work here today.
I am going to put you to work. So I am the Biscuit Queen of New Jersey. And fun fact, Elizabeth Koval-Smith was actually the founder of the cultivated blueberry that we know today. And she's from New Jersey. So the Biscuit Queen of New Jersey, and she was the Blueberry Queen of New Jersey. So it seemed like the right thing to tell you about. So we're going to make blueberry biscuits though.
Okay.
So in here you have self-rising flour and a little bit of sugar, heavy cream, and blueberries. That is it.
Oh, that's it.
That's it.
Simple.
So you pour the cream in.
All of it?
All of it.
Okay, here we go.
And then you pour in your blueberries and you mix that up and scoop it onto the pan. While you're doing that, I'm going to make blueberry muffin tops.
That's
and
awesome.
We're going to put them in the oven together for 20 minutes. So in here I have some.
What's that?
This is Greek yogurt, eggs, and a little fresh vanilla extract that I've already whisked together to save us a little time. And then to that, my blueberries.
You know what? My mom would be very proud because I'm finally making something. Baking something.
We're all proud.
She's probably like, now you gotta come home and do that for me. So how long do you have to put this in the oven for it to be ready?
These go in at 425 degrees, both of them, for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
So then you mix it up. That's it.
Okay,
now
that's
take your
it,
little
and then
scoop.
you scoop it?
I love a scoop, a little ice cream scoop.
Love
and
it.
you just scoop it right into your pan.
Okay.
Just like
That's
that.
easy.
Look how good you're doing.
I can do this.
Oh my God. And I think anything worth making is worth putting a little crumb topping on.
Yes.
So for my blueberry muffin tops, I like to top them with a little crumb topping. And all that is butter, sugar, and flour. It's almost like putting a shortbread cookie on top, which never sounds terrible, right?
Yeah,
just crumbled up a little
never.
bit. So, and then we just scoop those down, and through the magic of television.
Yes.
You want to show the biscuits that you just made?
Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is perfection. This is what I just baked. Be very proud of me.
I'm so proud of you. And we have a little bit of vanilla glaze that you put on there as well.
Oh, yeah,
and then
I see
the
that.
blueberry muffin tops, too. We have those. And but everyone knows that's the best part of the muffin.
Yeah, that is.
So why middleman, just go straight to the muffin top.
And then to pair that, we have a drink. Actually, JD is going to come and join me to help me do this.
So a healthy...
I'm just here for the muffin tops. I heard... I love someone with the good sense to just make the part of a baked item that I'm going to eat.
Part,
yes.
right?
All right, so what are we making for that?
This is a blueberry smoothie, and it is as easy as can be. It's a little bit of Greek yogurt, some of my 15-minute blueberry jam. So you can put as much as that as you want, depending on how sweet you want it. I like it, things very sweet. I'm going to go one more. And then you can use the milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk because a lot of people apparently like it.
Yeah.
I'm one of those.
You shook your head when you said that, but okay.
Oh, wait, I forgot. Well, I'm not.
And then fresh blueberries as well.
Oh, wow. Yes.
Love it.
A bunch of them, as many as you like. And then I have to push this like 4 times before it obeys me.
Right.
Oh, there you go.
And that's it.
Oh, wow. That's it. No,
By the way,
no more sugar.
I'm loving the portable blender.
Yes.
I love this blender.
That is top notch.
So, and that's it. That is a blueberry smoothie.
That looks so good.
That looks really
like
good.
a glass of antioxidants right there to me.
It is absolutely a glass of antioxidants.
Thank you so much.
There you go.
I'm going to pair it with a blueberry glazed whatever this is.
These are blueberry swirled donuts, buttermilk, and made with my blueberry jam swirled into the vanilla icing on the top. More the muffin tops. I made a blueberry crostata with my homemade puff pastry and some fresh wild blueberries.
Oh, wow.
This looks great.
This
by the way,
looks amazing.
Is this easier to make than like a full-on blueberry pie,
This
the
took me,
crostata?
I'm not kidding you, including making the filling and putting it in the crust, 5 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Really?
I made that this morning before we left, let it cool on the counter while I took a shower, put it in the car, and it's here.
Now, I know you're making the puff pastry on your own, but could I just get something out of the freezer and it's okay?
Puff pastry is fine. I like the refrigerated kind because you're ready to go. You don't have to remember to thaw it out. But if you have the kind that's frozen, just put it in the fridge the night before or on the counter for like 20 minutes.
This looks so amazing.
Cynthia,
thank you so much.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Yeah, for these recipes and to sign up for Cynthia's newsletter to get more delicious recipes, scan the QR code on the screen. You see it right there while we keep drinking the smoothie.
Indeed. We're going to keep ourselves healthy with antioxidants.